Hi guys, it's me, Messenger from Messages Maths, and today I should talk about sigma. And it's not that sigma, it's this sigma. And so some of you may have seen this in physics, in maths, in statistics, but basically what you can use sigma for, well, sigma yes, but uppercase sigma specifically, you can use it for summation. An operator for summation is basically what it's used for. So if I took something like n equals 1 and 5 x, sorry, n, not x, okay? So basically, this is adding. This is the start. N starts at 1. This is the end. It doesn't work like in Python. This is the rule. Yeah, this is the rule. So what you basically do is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And it's basically, so you it's like you can think about a bit similarly to Python for loops, like for n in range 1 plus 6, because in Python it's a bit different. Okay, so what Python might do, if there was something here like let's just keep this, whatever may be here, well, if I could have added, what Python could do is it could go in, right, go count a bit like counting and do a loop, 1 then 2 then 3 and stop at 5. Okay, so it's a bit like that, except we add 1 2 3 4 5. And if I were to do n squared, okay, that's basically 1, because 1 equals 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared, for some reason. 4 squared plus 5 squared. Okay, and by the way, 1 equals 1 squared. Okay, alright, and now this is a bit simple, but what you could also do is be like this. Now if you take the general formula for, well, you can let's take series parallel resistors. Okay, but we could also take series resistors. Let's do the first, series resistors. So R truth, I'm not sure how to put it down here, so let's go to whiteboard. Okay, R1, and if there are series resistors, I should not use this one in the board. I should instead use this version. Actually, no, let's not do that. Okay, so if there are 3 resistors, okay, each of some resistance, I'm not sure, let's put someone, we don't even know how to put it. Okay, so in the end it should be R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now we can generalize it a bit, but somehow it's you can write it a bit like this. Sigma R. Okay. Personally, I'm not sure if it's true, but I should check if you can use subscript. like this. So if you can put n equals 1 and count up like this, I should check. But before I shouldn't teach something that's not considered true to mathematicians in general. So let's not go for that right now. Tell me if you want a follow-up video for this. And separately, I have a poll on the community. Go there and there's a poll and vote for whether you want me to go live or not. Not just this. Yeah, why not? So, anyways, sigma R. Now, the thing about parallel resistors is a bit different. So, if these resistors were in parallel, and the other wires were perfect, so it's a bit ideal. Let me, yeah. Okay. So, this would be 1 over 1 plus R1. Sorry, 1 over the reciprocal of R1 plus the reciprocal of R2. So it's a bit messy, right? But you can make it less messy. So the resistance here would be equivalent to this, right? Well, it looks messy. And you can make this less messy by using sigma. So what we could do is 1 over sigma. Well, I'd like to put, I'm not sure, this might be a bit headcanon, but actually just not use any headcanon. But if we take this away, yeah, sigma 1 over R, sorry. You know, when I use this without the top and bottom, it's basically like the sum, and yeah, 1 over R. So yeah, you can make it look better, and this would mean that the sigma of 1 over R times the equivalent resistance. Let's try to put it as R. I haven't unlocked subscript yet. It's a bit weird way of saying it, but just imagine an E in your head, write it down here, equals 1. And you can write it down like this, or you can write it down a bit more. Well, it's still a bit headcanon, but I'd prefer you might write it by here. I'm not sure, but I should check with someone more knowledgeable than me to see if it's applicable. And if you can do it a bit like algebra, just put 2 or R in this case. If you can just put 2 in a different case, and R in this case in front, well, technically behind this, and I'll make people think of it as multiplication, if that's possible. I mean, if you're allowed to do that. But anyways, let's hope that you let's hope that you all have gained a decent understanding about sigma now. Please like, subscribe, share the video to people who have problems. Let's hope my speaking gets better soon. And subscribe, please. View more videos. Why not? Learn more maths. Learn more maths and help me, of course. Definitely. So, yeah, learn more maths. And also, another thing I should remind is the poll. Go to the community section of my YouTube channel. Go to the community section of my YouTube channel. Sorry if that was a bit too fast. And vote for whether you want me to go live or not. And see you guys. Bye.